Hi everyone, I'm back with the Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet upright. I'm going to start it up, so here we go. Now, hit the brush roll. It's definitely too high. Let me set it. Two. Leaves very nice groom lines. Feel lots of good agitation. Need some cat hair on the carpet and some dirt. Some hair down this hallway. There, fuzz or whatever that was. Here a little bit, some dirt. This may be a little too. Yeah, there we go. That might be better. Yeah, that's good. 3. 2 is just a little too low. Expect a ton of dirt. Expect a little bit though. I'll clean my other part of my house, which gets dirty. some stuff on the floor with the light. not super bright, but now let's see how much cat hair we can pick up. There we go. Use the tube. Put the camera here for a second. Check out. As you can hear from that, oh my God. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that because I need to hold the blanket because it's just sucking the blanket up. It's just sucking up the blanket, so I'll need 2 hands. Collecting a decent bit of dirt though. Not a huge quantity, but some. Well, let's continue vacuuming. There's some white. See how it does? It gives you some light in the dark closet, not much. Say about this machine is the amount of airflow it has. Listen. And the suction is incredible too. You can just feel the air blast. Man, is this the strangest smelling vacuum in the world. Gosh, what does that smell like? It smells like... Oop, I almost knocked my camera over. I can't even describe what it smells like, but it's weird. Gosh, it's a powerful cord rewind. I'm glad I held that or it would have launched. Let's check. I just have a wound up ball of cat hair. Not really any sand or much embedded dirt. The filter looks nice and clean. There's not a speck of dirt on it, as you can see. Top of the cyclone looks clean too. first impressions of this Hoover are nice. There's that little light. Let's check how much hair is in the brush roll. Just point the camera down. I don't want to. There's not really any hair in this brush roll. As I said, nice stiff bristles. No, there's no hair in it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go do hard floors. So I'm gonna set the machine to hard floor. Set on hard floor. Make sure when I recline it, the brush is on right now. I hit the brush trigger, and now the brush roll is powered off. So, stay tuned while I bring this vacuum to my downstairs and clean that. Bye-bye.